Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Syafiqail bin Muhammad Maharani. Today I would like to present about my project Smart Monitoring Garbage. Okay, firstly, I would like to explain about the introduction. Okay, Smart Monitoring Garbage System is a smart system that helping well monitoring the waste from the far instead the traditional way of the manually monitoring waste. This project will help to eradicate or reduce the garbage disposal problem. This system monitor the garbage bin and inform about the level of the garbage collected in the garbage bin using a Blink application. This application can be accessed from anywhere, anytime to inform the status of each and every dustbin in real time. Okay, this system uses an ultrasonic sensor placed over the bin to detect the garbage level and compare it with the garbage bin depth. This system uses an MCU as a microcontroller. Sending data to the Blink apps. The widget LED gives a graphical view of the garbage bin and highlight the garbage collected in color red, yellow, and green in order to show the level of garbage collected. Okay, problem statement. Inefficient or system of solid waste management which impact the health, pollution, and disease to the environment of our society. The detection, monitoring, and management of waste is one of the primary problems of the present era. The traditional way manually monitoring the waste in waste bin utilize more human effort, time, and cost, which can be easily be avoided with our present technology. Okay, objective to develop the efficient smart waste management system based on IoT system to monitor the waste inside bin using a Blink application platform. Okay, and that's a video demo. Okay, this is a video demo. Okay, this is my prototype. Okay, ultrasonic principle. Ultrasonic sensor emit short, high frequency and sound pulse at a regular interval. This will propagate in the air at the velocity of the sound. If they strike an object, they reflected back as echo signal to the sensor, which itself computed the distance to the target based on the time span between the emitting the signal and receiving the echo. Okay, main challenge. Firstly, ensuring the ultrasonic distance sensor are correctly placed. If the part of the dump increase in the middle, the sensor could be giving misleading data. Second, the design need to have a waterproof electronic and embedded software. Third, the bigger issue availability of the 3G, 4G circular network. In fact, I just use a Wi-Fi and internet data from the mobile phone. Okay, scope project. This project focus on to create a view the level set garbage bin using a reliable, cost-effective, and portable to monitor the garbage bin. Using ultrasonic sensor, we detect the rate, the distance, depth in garbage bin. Microcontroller will send data monitoring to the Blink application in smartphone. Main apps display the value distance sensor at the widget value and current level set in the color in widget LED. This system cut the cost of this project because using less hardware and more using virtual widget in Blink apps. Okay, this is a block diagram of my project. Okay, an ultrasonic sensor will be placed inside trash lid and facing the solid waste. This ultrasonic sensor will detect the amount of the trash. As trash increase, the distance between the ultrasonic and the trash decrease. The live data will be sent to the microcontroller. Microcontroller will process data and through the Wi-Fi and send directly to the Blink application in smartphone. The Blink version will represent the amount of the trash in widget LED as the trash status level. When the trash is the limit, the full notification Blink application will appear on the smartphone. Okay, this is the MCU development board kit version 2. Okay, the MCU is a microcontroller. Give your project access to Wi-Fi or internet. Support several programming. Easy to upload using micro USB. Run 5V for power supply. Does not have the 5V pin to support power ultrasonic, but have the trick to ensure 5V power connect to the ultrasonic sensor using a V-in pin. Okay, this is an ultrasonic sensor. Sensor measure the distance with high accuracy and stable reading. It emits an ultrasound wave at a frequency 40 kHz in the air, and if the object comes in the way, they will bounce back to the sensor. Ultrasonic have the 4 pin. Okay, Blink application. Blink is a platform with iOS and Android app to control the Arduino, Raspberry Pi and other. It a digital dashboard where you can build a graphic interface for your project by simply dragging and dropping widget. But Blink application, Blink was designed for the Internet of Things. It can control hardware remotely. It can display the data, store data, visualize it, and do other cool things. It's really simple to set up. All the required server, client and board in 5 minutes are more than enough. Okay, this is how Blink work. Blink app through Blink server and then through hardware. Okay, this is a flowchart of my project. Create the circuit in freezing, simulate the circuit, create the coding at the Arduino IDE software, develop the circuit, test the circuit with the 5 volt power, connect with the Blink apps and the function, and then end. Okay, this is schematic circuit. Okay, schematic circuit. Ultrasonic has a 4 pin. 2 VCC and ground will be connected to VIN and ground MCU, while 2 pin 3 and echo will be connected to the jitter pin 4 and jitter pin 3. The MCU will supply by 5 volt using a micro USB cable directly to the power bank. Ultrasonic will measure the distance depth of the garbage bin. This live data will send to the MCU, and MCU will process data and through the Wi-Fi and send direct to Blink application in smartphone. Okay, advantage of this project. Firstly, a cost to build this project is cheap. Then require less hardware. Then easy to programming coding using the MCU microcontroller. Use a Blink application smartphone can control monitoring from anywhere, anytime. Device collection schedule will be optimized and indirectly the city will be clean and healthy. Appropriate to apply the project in home and town. Okay, marketability. Smart monitoring garbage has the highest chance of being marketed in the world. This project able to manage and solve solid waste management with a better traditional way of the management monitoring. Using application can be accessed from anywhere, anytime to inform the status of each and every dustbin in the town. The waste collection schedule will be optimized in the city will be clean and healthy. In addition, we are able to add improvements to this project by add up the GPS module which can identify the location of each dustbin in the city. This GPS module is able to help driver truck to locate of every dustbin in the city. So until this stage, we managed to develop a very efficient platform which can compact and using low cost. Conclusion: in this project, smart monitoring garbage system work is the implementation using the ultrasonic sensor, MCU and Blink application. This system are very useful in improving the efficiency of the solid waste disposal management. Able to avoid flowing of the garbage from the garbage bin in the city previously either loaded manually. It can automatically monitor the garbage level and send information to collection truck. These technologies are good enough to ensure the practical and perfect of solid garbage collection process, monitoring and management for green environment. That's all. Thank you.